Now if problem failed, if density mistake, and this one problem, the last problem, I will introduce it detailedly. Another typical problem is sometimes we can see the knitting fabric not even and smooth. Like, like the knitting pattern shoes, we can find it's not even and smooth. There are defects like the loop on some certain line is loose. In this case, we need to find which density model control which density line. First of all, we need to test the density sensor and the density model to see if it works or not. Green, okay. And in the process of testing, we need to observe whether the density can work normally from below the carriage. If there is density cap stuck or motor do not work, we need to change the density motor to clean up density cap or change density motor. Next, we need to check whether the density cap. Firstly, we need to clean the dust. We use hand to move the density cap. Check it rather smoothly. This one is smoothly. It's easy to move. And we can find this one is not smooth, not move. So maybe inside have problem, maybe bearing problem. So we need to remove the density motor. You see, red color mark, don't move. 1, 2, 3, screw, don't move. Just screw, lose this screw and the back side. 1, 2 screw. Use straight screwdriver. Use straight screwdriver. Lose the screw. Turn left. Lose screw. Another screw same. And this one screw, usually we use Allen key, 3 number. Turn right. Removes the density motor. And check the density cam whether got stuck and the density bearing. Now we can say it's normal. Okay, you see it's magnet. We move the magnet under the density sensor. The sensing area space should be about 0.5 millimeter. And if this one broken, the density cam also will be stuck. And lose this screw, remove it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Screw remove. We can change the density motor. After check everything is okay, now we put density motor back. Move the density magnet under the density sensor. This is red position. Now we use straight screwdriver, push here, give some space, match here, match here,
Okay.
make 1, 2 pin to red position hole. Like this. We use Allen key serial number, close this screw. Turn left, close screw and don't nut. Now we screw. Now we check back side. Close screw 1, 2. Use cross screwdriver. Turn right to close it. Another thing. Close this one screw again. Close this one screw again. Now it's finished. Then we will make density compensation. If one loop is loose, we need to fill up a negative value on density compensation so that density motor less step and the loop line will be tighter. In order to show you individual more vivid, I set macro. Now we skip macro. Input 105. Okay. Now the macro with the yarn is working. Now in third yarn carriage working. We can find carriage move from left side to right side. Use the first density motor, and the loop line is loose. It's easy to raise up needle. Okay, next one. We can find the carriage move right side from left side use the second density motor, and the loop line is tight. It's hardly to raise up the needle. It's harder to raise up the needle. I suppose maybe density problem, so we check density. We can find now we use 8 density. The density value is same. this density same, maybe it no problem. Maybe system parameters problem, the password is 48. Click here, and we can find this is one system, our use system, and another is our no use system. Our machine is two systems, and this array is front density, and this is back density. Now we use this array density. This single one is first density model, single 2 is second density model, single 3 is third density model, single 4 is fourth density model. Now we modify the single 1 and the single 2 density value. Could time reason adjust to one time. In fact, you need to do many times until loop size even and smooth. The first reason, we need to reload the original system parameters because sometimes the system parameters may be out of order, so we need to according the machine serial number, it's file 2 file 620. Then we put USB to here, ESC, file management, parameter import to storage. It named file to file 620. Click system parameter, work parameter, and machine parameter. Okay. Yes. Wait a few seconds to loading system parameters. Okay. Then ESC, shut down machine, and turn off power. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn on power